hello and welcome to Film Companion South. This is Between the Lines and I'm Asha Meera. This week the movie we have is PT Sir, starring Hip Hop Tamara, Kashmira Pardesi and Anika Surendran in major roles. This film is directed by Black Sheep fame Karthik Venugopal. So what happens if a 20-second Instagram reel plays for 2 hours? A bit confused? Let me give you a specific example. We've all seen those relationship reels, right? Where, people keep slapping each other. There's a twist every 2 seconds. Now, what if that's a 2-hour film? That's how it feels to watch PT Sir. It almost feels like you're flipping TV channels. There's a song 1 second, there's drama the next, and there's comedy the third, and there's fighting and action in the fourth. Now, you're not really sure how this all comes together or what is the connect between, or there's absolutely no segue. Feels messy, right? That's the best way I can describe watching PT Sir. So there's a specific scene in the film where Kashmira, the heroine on the film, is worried about something that she sees. So this film happens in an educational campus. There's a school and a college, and there's a magic wall, as they call it, where students come and write whatever they feel like, and any emotions that they feel needs to be expressed, but they don't know how to or where to express it. So in this wall, someone has written, do we really have to die for someone to listen to us? And there's also someone who has written, why is this not being investigated at all? Now our heroine notices this, and she's obviously worried as to what could this be, and why has nothing been done about this, or whatever it is. So there's mystery around it, right? So she brings our hero, Kanagavel, played by Hip Hop Adi, to show him this writing. But our hero, being the hero, is more worried about whether the heroine loves him or not. And he has a competitor, by the way, a school kid, and he's jealous of the kid, like literally jealous of the kid, and that whether she might actually like him or not. And then the scene shifts from this mysterious dramatic moment to this very silly comedy zone where the heroine has to convince Kanagavel that she loves him and not the school kid. Cognitive dissonance might be entertaining on social media. I mean, it can feel completely okay or even entertaining to slap one person in one moment and then hug them the next minute and then walk away happily in the third minute. But cinema is a very, very different medium, and when it is not handled well, even the most sensitive subjects and the most important topics can end up feeling like an unintentional joke, and that's how PT Sir feels. PT Sir talks about sexual harassment, and this is a subject that will stay relevant no matter how many times it's been spoken or how many times we've dealt with it. Like, we've already seen films like Nerkonda Parvai and Gargi talk about what happens when a woman speaks up about sexual harassment and the kind of judgment she receives. PT Sir makes the point that this judgment doesn't stop even when she's dead, even when she's not around. And this is a very, very important, relevant, pertinent, no matter what adjective I use, it is a thing that we should be discussing. But how it does this is where the problem lies. When we talk about films that generally discuss something that's already been dealt with, the question becomes, what new are you bringing to the table? So there's a very interesting idea at the center of PT Sir. It's very, very novel. It almost feels like, a combination of two different worlds, which I can't speak about more because it's a major twist and a spoiler. So I'm not going to be speaking about what the idea is. But if it had been done well, it would have definitely turned out to be a very interesting film. But unfortunately, the treatment that PT Sir takes is riddled with cliches and melodrama that whatever it's trying to say gets absolutely drowned in the noise. So before I talk about performances and craft of the film, I really want to say kudos to Hip Hop Adi just for picking this idea and backing this film. People who followed his journey as a creator from, Klubbula Mubbula to make this film or to say this idea, to put out this thought itself is a journey and its growth, and it's really heartening to see a creator evolve like that. So first of all, congratulations. I'm sure you have much more longer way to go. And Hip Hop Adi really, really shines as an actor when he plays the man-child, when there's comedy involved. He makes us laugh, he engages, he keeps our attention, all of it is done. The problem starts when the serious stuff kicks in. That's when it's very hard for him to hold our attention, and this has been a consistent trouble, I can say, in his previous films as well. And it's a concern point that I hope changes in his forthcoming films. PT Sir is also Hip Hop Adi's 25th film as a music director, and the music is definitely one of the stronger elements in the film. It maintains the commercial meter that we often talk about, and it really elevates the scene whenever it needs to, and it actually underlines the mood of the scene, the feeling that we are supposed to feel. I wish I could say the same about cinematography and the other technical crafts in the film, because it's not that there's not thought. There has been a bit of experimentation on the side of the director, but these just remain as ideas and don't really gel with the story that it's trying to say. That's where PT Sir falters a bit, and it's very, very visible to see. Let me tell you this, I really wanted to like PT Sir in the sense that, there aren't many films that wants to say the right thing and that wants to make the right points and wants to, call out the bias or call out the problems in our social system. So I really wanted to like this film, but it is a bit unfortunate that, sometimes all the right, things that the film tries to say gets absolutely sidelined in the choices made on how it chooses to say it. So that's all I have to say about PT Sir. I hope you liked watching this video. I will be back very soon with another review. Until then, have fun of the movies.